Good day, Ma'am and Sir Nehoma. I'm Novi Sasa Melos. I'm 46 years old. I'm single and I'm a college graduate for 2 years. I have been working in Hong Kong for 1 year and 3 months. I am taking care of elderly mentally illness. I was terminated because Kong Kong has passed away. I am taking care of him. In the morning, I make him massage, take him shower, changing clothes, changing diaper, feeding foods, giving medicine. I clean also the house, ironing, washing clothes by hands, go to market, and help people for cooking. I can cook also Chinese food. I can, but also I love to take care a newborn, a toddler, a children. I can taking also a pets like dog and cats. I can car washing and gardening. Ma'am, sir, if you will hire me, I will give my dedication to my work, to do my duties and responsibilities. And I will follow all the rules that you have given me with all my heart. I am honest, a trustworthy, and a hardworking person. I will treat your family as my own family, your parents as my own parents, your children as my own children. I hope I can be a part of your family soon. Thank you.